No need to wait for the official release. Install iOS 26 Developer Beta on your iPhone free today. For this, open the Safari browser on your iPhone. Next, in the address bar, type Apple Developer Program and click on Search. Now tap on the official website from the results. Here, at the top right, click on the downward icon. A few options will pop out. Select the Enroll option. After that, click on the Start Your Enrollment block. Next, enter your Apple ID, and then password in the respective blocks, and click on Sign In. After that, it will prompt you to enter the two-factor authentication code. Type it in the respective block. Now, you are enrolled in the developer beta. After that, click on the Settings app. Here, tap on General, then click on the Software Update option. Now you will see an additional option, tap on Beta Updates. Next, select the iOS 26 Developer Beta option. After that, go back to the previous page and you will see the Beta Software Update. Then click on Update Now, and the latest software version will be installed. And that's it. If you found this helpful, follow and subscribe for more iOS 26 tips and tricks.